Hello, today we learn how to load a web page from PHP curl. Let's start. Let's create a PHP file. Let's make a PHP file load page. So, well, load page. Now, let's start PHP $ch curl init. This is the first line which initialize our curl. Let's create curl method. Curl opt URL, which is our URL. Our URL is let's fake URL. Let's I use this for fetching this page here and put this value in here. Now curl set return transfer true. Curl execute .ch. Now let's run this. Localhost load web page .php. Sorry, I think load page.php. I think it's in wrong place. Load page .php, not paste our code. Let's run this. Here will go nothing because our data is in our curl education file, which I can't handle. Let's handle this response. Our response has come here. $HTML equal to here. $HTML contains all our response. Let's echo this. Run this. Here we got our response. So we fetch our web page finally. Now here is return transform true, which loads our web page in $HTML in curl education. Let's make it false. Then all our requests dump in web page. Let's change this. What happened? Now close this. Then our page it gives save result, but it can't store here. So for storing in variable we use this true, and here our response will store. So this is complete. Thanks for watching.